Traders, hello, namaste, namaskara. Welcome to your YouTube channel, Stock Market Teacher. And through this channel, I share my experience that I have gained from years since 2007, 2008, how the market and the price action works. Okay, I hope the analysis and the videos that I upload on a consistent basis is helping you, all right, and helping you understand how the levels work, how the price action works, and it is adding to your knowledge, all right. And if you're new to this channel, if you're watching this video for the first time, please do subscribe to your YouTube channel, Stock Market Teacher. Okay, click on the like button if you like the content and comment in the comment section. I upload videos on a daily basis. I try to upload it on a daily basis. Sometimes things I'm busy with, I'm not able to upload them, but I like to do it. I'd like to share my knowledge and experience with you guys. Right now, if in Friday's video, okay, on Friday's video that I had uploaded, if you see this video, okay, it is very important video. Okay, it's a very important video. I had mentioned, I had told you why the bears are stronger with a simple analysis, and what happened in today's market is pretty clear. So if you have not watched the video, please do go and watch the video. Okay, and like the video and share it as much as possible so that everybody understands how the stock market works, and let's grow the stock market teacher community, the trading community. All right, so let's see what happened in today's market. And if you watch the other video which I uploaded on Friday, it will make it very easy for you why my view was bearish. So what are we going to learn in today's video or through this channel is, first thing, how I identify levels on Nifty and Bank Nifty index to take trades on the for the next trading day, at what level I'm looking to take a long or a short trade, and where I'll take my stop loss, in which strike price I'll be looking to do option buying, and did I take any trade today, and did I make any profit or loss, and the logic behind the trade. So these are very important things that I discuss. So please watch the video till the end. Do not skip the video just to the end. You will miss out a lot of information. That's a request for me. All right, so let's understand what happened in today's market. If you see, okay, I had given a bearish view on Friday, and I had mentioned specifically why I am bearish. All right, so what happened today? The market, okay, had closed around this particular level of 16,920. The market opened a gap up. Okay, the market opened a gap up around this particular level. It came down and bounced up. See, this I had level, I had marked this level exactly from that level. It bounced up. Okay, it came back to the resistance zone. All right, came back to the resistance zone, came back down a little bit, went up, came back down a little bit, went up to the level. Okay, I mentioned the strong resistance level. Why this is a particular strong resistance level? It trapped all the bulls out there, all the bulls out here, and you see what happened in just one swoop. Okay, the market came crashing down. So that's the reason I had maintained a bearish view in my Friday's video, and the reason is very simple. I have clearly explained in the video. I'll link it up there. Okay, so please click on the link and you can watch the video. All right, so you see the market, the bears just took control at the end of the day. All right, so I had a bearish view, and that is what I was looking for in the markets. All right, and same thing happened in Bank Nifty as well. If you see Bank Nifty, what has happened? All right, if you see Bank Nifty, the market opened, okay, around the resistance zone which we had marked. It came back down, took a support around the previous day low, this low which we had marked, went back up to the resistance zone, came back down, exactly touched the level that we had marked. Okay, and it came very close to the resistance level which we had marked here in the Friday's video. And the reason that I explained why this is a strong resistance zone, and the market just crashed from there and closing near to the lows of the day. Right, so this is very interesting, very important, very simple things that I explain to you all, which will help you in increasing your profitability and keeping your losses small. All right, so let's now understand what we are going to look at in today's market, how the price action work, and what we could look for in tomorrow's market, tomorrow's trading day. All right, so I'll just make some minor adjustments here. I won't take out much levels from this particular uh, uh, chart. All right, so yeah, let's begin. System's lagging a little bit, so just give it a moment. All right, okay, all right. So this red dashed line is the previous day high. I just bring it here to the today's high here. So this is the high, and this is the resistance zone which is still intact and exactly touched that zone. It crashed from that level, so we will leave this level as it is. This is your level for resistance zone, which is 17,100 to 17,110 level. Okay, this is the level, and this blue dashed line will leave as it is. This is near to the low which we had marked, and that will stay intact. This is the day's low, which is 16,917 levels. All right, let's see what are the other levels that we are going to look at now. If you see here, this level, okay, which was acting as support. Now why this level was acting as support, it is clear, pretty clear from the chart. So the price went up, okay, price came down here, took a support, bounced back up, came back down, took a support, went up, okay, came crashing down, right? Now this support is broken. Now once the support is broken, what will happen? It tends to act as your resistance. So this level now we are looking forward, going forward, this will this will tend to act as your resistance zone. Okay, this will tend to act as your resistance zone here. So what are the resistance zones that we are looking for? We are now looking for a resistance zone of 16,980 to 16,995. That's the resistance zone that you are looking out for. And what is the other resistance zone we are looking out for here? Is pretty clear. This is very strong resistance zone. Now if you see here, this was acting as a resistance, this was acting as a resistance here. That resistance broke, and here now we are going to look at this particular resistance. Okay, this is your resistance level that you're looking out for. Okay, this is very important. So what is that resistance? 17,040 to 17,050 level is your resistance. So we have bank nifty showing again weakness at the end of the day. The bears ruling the day. At the end of the day, they all the bulls getting trapped around this particular zone. So we'll have to wait and watch now what is the thing that you are going to look in tomorrow's session. Now, as I had discussed in my previous video, the Friday's video that I had uploaded, and today's price action, if you're looking, the supports are breaking. Okay, my view stands bearish, so I'm going to look for negative trades, that is short trades in the sessions in tomorrow's session as well. So what are the level? What is the level that I'm looking out for? Where the stability might come is around 16,840 to 16,850. If this price stabilizes here and consolidates, and then it breaks out towards the upside, okay, and then if it breaks out towards the upside, say for example the price comes down to this level, okay, it consolidates and it, it breaks out to the upside, then I'll look at my view. I will change my view because I'm a trader. So then I will look for a bullish signal. Okay, this shows that the price has consolidated because it's a strong support level. And why this is a strong support level, I have already mentioned in the previous video, but just to refresh again, you see here the price made a big move from this level. That's the reason I'm looking at this level. It's a pretty a strong support level for the bulls. If this level does not hold, okay, if this level does not hold, then we'll have to wait and watch where the price will take. That's why if this level does not hold on, the price breaks this particular level, okay, the price breaks this particular level and the selling continues, okay, there is a follow through selling, then we will see a big move towards the downside coming in Nifty going forward. All right, so that's my view on Nifty, which I'm presently bearish until 16,840 holds. Okay, if 16,840 does not hold, then I is going to become very difficult for the bulls to come back easily in the market. So presently I'll be looking at a short trade again in the markets. All right, so this is your levels that you're looking out for. So this is your support level here. Now this will act as a support level. If there's a gap down, this will tend to act as your resistance level. If the price just opens flat and comes down here, if you see a price action, buying coming in, this might move up, but these are your levels here. These are your resistance level, this is your resistance level, and this is your resistance level. Okay, so I will be looking for a short trade in tomorrow's session in the first half. We'll wait and watch what happens in the second half. Okay, if second half presents any bullish case scenarios, then I'll be looking to go and buy in the market. So this is the level I will be very eagerly watching out for, 16,840 to 16,850. If this doesn't hold, then you might see bigger down moves coming in the market. All right, so let's go to Bank Nifty and see what is in store for Bank Nifty. What we'll do is we'll just adjust the today's high here. Okay, this is today's high in Bank Nifty, which is 39,700 level, and this is your Bank Nifty low, which is as good as yesterday's low, which is your 39,480 levels. So what are the resistance levels, the supply zones that you could look out for in Bank Nifty? Now this level I'll just which I had marked earlier. Okay, this is just make a little bit adjustment here. Okay, this is what you're looking out for here. This is your resistance level, which is strong resistance level in Bank Nifty, which is 39,700 to 39,720, and this level now, which will act as your resistance level. So this will act as your resistance. So what is the resistance level? 39,500 to 39,520 level will be your resistance zone in Bank Nifty going forward. 39,000, which is a psychological round number, this will act as your strong resistance level in Bank Nifty. Okay, so 39,500 to 39,520. Now this level, okay, if you see here, I'm not expecting this. Looking at the price action, how the bears brought the price action down, I'm not expecting this to hold for long. This might break at the start of the session tomorrow with the gap down, okay, or it might open flat and then it might just break through. Okay, and this is a very important level here, 39,000, which is a strong support level for Bank Nifty. So these are the levels which I'll be watching out for. Now where is the price trading? The price is as good as it's broken, because you see the weakness. It will tend to continue tomorrow. If there is, suppose there is a gap up, these are your resistance level, 39,500 to 39,520 and 39,700 to 39,720. These are your resistance levels. Okay, and if there is a gap down and the follow through selling comes, we might see 39,000 coming into the markets in Bank Nifty, and these are the levels that you need to watch out for. If this holds, well and good. If does not hold and this too breaks, okay, then we could see bigger downwards in Bank Nifty. So the first thing that is what you are looking for, how I identify levels on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, at what level I'm looking to take a long or short trade, and where I'll take my stop loss. Now, as I said, my view is bearish. I'm going to look for only short trades until the price action confirms that the bulls are stronger. So where are the levels that I'll be looking at taking my short position, and this is what I'm going to explain now. The price is trading now. Say suppose the price opens a slight gap up, okay, the price opens a slight gap up and it comes around this particular zone of 39,500, and I see there is a kind of selling happening and the bulls are struggling to move the price up. This will be my level where I will look at shorting. Okay, this is the level where I'll be looking at shorting. If there is a sudden gap up to this level, okay, if there is a sudden gap up to this level and I see that the bulls are not able to maintain the push the price higher and the bears are coming in, then I'll be looking to short around this particular position. Okay, this is your Bank Nifty. Okay, say suppose the price opens flat. Okay, it spends some time here around this particular level and then it breaks down. Okay, and then it breaks down, it consolidates and then it breaks down. Then I'm going to look at shorting this level. My stop loss will be above this level. If I'm shorting around this level, my stop loss will be above this particular level. Okay, so I only look for a good risk to reward rate. Say suppose for example the price gaps up and suddenly and there is a huge fall, then I'm not going to short, because say suppose that the price opens around this level and the price falls suddenly, I don't want to take my short here. If I take my short here, where will be my stop loss? My stop loss will be somewhere about here. So my risk is high and my reward is small. I don't want to take a trade, so I'll pass on the trade. So this is what I look for in the Bank Nifty. How what level I'm taking to take a long trade or a short trade. Since I'm bearish, I'll be looking at a bearish trade on Bank Nifty. Suppose, say for example, I'm looking if I get an opportunity to trade in Nifty, the price comes around this particular level of 17,040. What is that level? Resistance level. Okay, and I get a good price action showing that the bears are coming into picture now. This is supply zone. Then I'll be looking to short around this particular zone with my stop loss above this level. All right. So this is what I'm going to look for in Nifty or Bank Nifty accordingly, depending on the risk to reward ratio. Alright, so thirdly, what you're going to learn, which strike price I'll be doing option buying. Okay, so option buying I'm looking to do in the PE side because I am bearish, so I'll be looking to do a PE option buying. So say for example at 17,040 I see that the bears are coming back, the supply is increasing, the price action is telling me that yes, now this is a good zone to this is the right time for me to short. So 17,040 is the level that is trading, so I'll go slightly out of the money options for Fridays. Okay, Mondays and Tuesdays I like to go slightly out of the money option. So which strike price I'll be buying? I'll be looking to buy at 17,000 PE. Okay, 17,000 PE is what I'm going to look at buying. All right, 17,000 PE. Suppose for example in Bank Nifty, what level I'm going to look at buying? Suppose there is a gap up opening to this particular level, okay, of 39,500, and I see there is a shorting opportunity here. So which level I'm going to look at, which strike price I'm going to look at buying? 39,400 PE, because I'm looking for the price to come down 39,400, slightly out of the money option. So this is how I plan my option buying and the strike price that I'm looking at. All right. So lastly, what I'm going to discuss is, okay, right. So lastly, what we are going to discuss, did I take any trade today, and whether did I make profit or loss, and the logic behind the trade? Well, I don't know whether, fortunately or unfortunately, I could not take any trade today because I was out the whole day during the market hours. Okay, but my view remained intact, and when I'm taking a trade, I like to be in front of the system, and I like to concentrate on the price action. But since I was whole day outside looking at some other important work, I could not take any trade today. So I will show you my position book. Okay, this is my position book here. You see here my position. Okay, this is my position book here, and this is no trade today. Okay, so there are no trades today, so I did not take any trade today. But I hope my videos, the previous video, helped you to understand what was my view in the market, why I was bearish. I had formed a bearish view in the market, right? So that's it. That's all for now in today's video. Please do like the video. Okay, it just takes a click of a button to tell YouTube that I like my content, and YouTube will, share my videos, and this will help other traders to understand price action. It will help them to understand how the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels work out. All right, and do subscribe to the channel and hit on the bell notification. All right, all the best in tomorrow's trading session. Until then, have a good day. Thank you.